Alright, so we all have piles of scrap wood. I'm no different. Got quite a bit here on my workbench, as you can see. So I'll need to use some of it up. The first thing I'm going to make is a holder for my shop hand towels.
This dowel, if you will, was from when I upcycled my CD storage unit. There's a link above. This is my take on the mountains that you'll find on the online shopping sites. Why am I calling it a large holder? Well, it's just because I'm drilling the hole with a Forstner bit instead of a regular drill bit. Pencil holders are simple really, just a block of wood, drill some holes in, it'll fit the pencils in too. They'll be all the individual holes, so you can get quite a few in if you want to. Coasters, if you're having some extra company sometime next month, then you may need some spare coasters, and these are very easy to do. You'll see us doing some roundovers on them. You don't need to do that if you haven't got the equipment to do it with. It just makes it a little bit nicer. And that's it, all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it all helps. See you in the next video.